Joey, I have to tell you something. We should have turned left before the hippo bath, and then turned right and left. I have to try this. It's so much. Hey, what are you? Binu, what is it? You lost something? Something cuddly? Your bed? Presto! Okay, lifting up the hat now, and... Binu. Yay, Binu! You're a celery again! Oh, I'm so happy to see you. No answer? No problem, because we're near the Three Little Pigs' house. Oh, he's gonna be so surprised and happy. Chaz. Now that's what I call friendly robots. Thank you so much. Come back and visit anytime. Show. Not Rain. Yeah, watch me now. Wow, we're good. Huh? Hey, an elephant on base. Let's join him, Binu. Are you ready? Wow, look at that, Binu. Drums. Go, Binu. Now, everybody! I can really feel the music! You feel the beat, Binu? Listen to this! Binu and Toopy sitting round at home when Binu started playing with the xylophone. So Toopy went and dusted off his old guitar, and they knew right away that they would go far. They're the greatest in the land, they're the Toopy